Hello and welcome to my video. So today we're going to do a very simple trick on how you could merge two Google Drives onto a single hard drive. So I'm just going to give you a quick example. So these type of two Google Drives right here. I've merged this all together. So what you need to do is very simple. Is to head on to the Backup and Synch drive, Backup and Synch application from Google. So if you don't have this sort of application, what you need to do is to head on to Google, head on and search on Backup and Synch. So click on this, on that, right? Download the Google. Yep. Click on this, Backup and Synch, and head on to download. In my case, I've already downloaded and installed it, so no, I don't need to download the application. So what you need to do is now hover on to the icon right here and head on to the three dots, go to preferences, and you must always untick the sync my drive to this computer, right? Because for instance, if you have your first drive running, most likely you have this sync my drive to this computer ticked, and therefore you couldn't add a new account onto that certain hard drive. So I'd always say that syncing problem, or there was a sort of thing that the other Google Drive is already synced onto this hard drive. So kindly connect to a new one, or change the file directory or the location. So yeah, you need to untick that and head on here and right click and add new account. That's really it. Thanks so much for watching the video, and I hope you learned something. Please give a thumbs up and a quick like and subscribe.